Now before you start this, make sure you wash your hands, clean your nails, scrub each nail as you can. I'm a face you don't see often, but today I'm going to teach you how to do acrylic nails. As you can see, I've already done one hand. You take one nail, super glue, nail glue will work. You add a small coat of super glue to the nail from one end of the nail to the other. You will take it and firmly press against your nail to where each corner is on each corner of your nail. And then you hold slight pressure to your nail, moving from the middle of your finger to each end will help the nail stick better. I'm still feeling Anyways, the reason why I use super glue is because it dries quicker and it makes your nails stay on long, if that's what you want. Now, you will take your nail clippers and make them as short or as long as you would like. Most people like them long, or what's the sense in doing them if they're not? Move the nail forward, back, until it breaks loose. Then you take, I use a 6 side. The first side is to coarse and shape your nail. If you want them squared, you just go from edge to edge. The second one is to shape your nail. This is to medium shape it. Now make sure you get the dust of the nail off your finger, or when you put the acrylic on it, it's going to look like poop. Side 3, and this is to neaten edges of your nail, which means if there's any like missed edges, like if you clip your nail and part of it don't clip, you just work from edge to edge of your nail. And then you got side 4 and 5, even out nail and smooth nail. If you have any indents, any creases in your nail, this right here will bring it out. And to smooth the nail, so when you like accidentally scratch somebody, it don't hurt as bad. Then you have side 6 and 7, buff nail, and this is to shine it. Make sure you get the nail as good as you can, all of it, even that and from each end. Okay, make sure you blow that powder off. Now you take your brush. You would dip it into acrylic liquid. This is to make it shine. Now make sure you get in the edges of your nails really good. Then you take this, dab it in the acrylic liquid again. Take it, dip it in your powder. The powder is called acrylic clear powder. This right here is what makes your nail the clear French tip. Make sure it's got a bead on the end. And once again, you go from edge to middle to other edge. And it is common to see it look like a powder at first, but that's why you get more of that. and see it shining up. That's what you want. Now me, I like it to look raised up in the middle. It makes it look, builds more character, as I would like to say. And once again, put your brush in that lid. Now this stuff, usually you would like to wear a mask, but I've done this so much it don't even bother me, so I don't need one. But if you're a beginner, then you might want to wear one. So this is the outcome of acrylic nail. If you do it the exact step, this is just like the beginner, this is just like basic. So if you want like the whole full glitter nail stickers off, you have to get another kit. This is just basic. But once you wait like 30 minutes after you do like the whole coat, you will take your brush, you will dip it in the acrylic liquid again, and just go over it just to make it have that clear look to it. And then once you have done this, your nail will look like this. So stay tuned and you will see my silver hair.